Hi there, today I'm gonna show how we can resolve a Streamlabs OBS black screen in Windows 10. Okay, you may want to be a streamer on YouTube, but you are newbie and you found your device Streamlabs OBS is black screen like this. If you see here, in the background is black and nothing show in there. Okay, in my webcam you can see also can be black screen if I disable, and you may see this. If this is your problem, you can unhide with this like this. Okay, and the number two, you may doesn't have source to be seeing your display capture, include primary monitor or secondary monitor. If yes, you can choose display capture and click add source. For example, this is, you can give the name screen in here. Now you see, if your Streamlabs OBS show your desktop, and where is your webcam? Okay, this is your webcam. Let's show here. Just doing like this, guys. Okay, you can put in this above or below of your layer. Now your device or your Streamlabs OBS no black bars again. And okay, this is the tips. You can click this and click run as administrator before you open Streamlabs OBS. Thanks for watching and bye bye.